Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Tenda 5G6 and seeing how it performs in real-world use. First, taking a quick look at the design. It's compact and minimal, so it fits easily into any setup. Setting it up is really quick. Just insert a SIM card, turn it on, and you are online in under a minute. No cables, no installation, no hassle. In terms of speed, it supports up to 4.67 Gbps, which feels very similar to Fiber, but compared to wireless, so whether it's streaming, video calls, or gaming, everything runs smoothly. One feature I really like is the dual SIM support. You can use two different providers, and if one network drops, it switches automatically, so you can stay connected without interruptions. For coverage, it uses multiple internal antennas to keep the signal strong. Even when moving between rooms, the connection stays stable, and for larger spaces, you can expand it with mesh support. It also comes with 2.5G WLAN ports, so you can use it as a wired router as well. With Wi-Fi 6 support, you can connect multiple devices at the same time without slowing things down. For security, it uses WPA3, so your network stays protected. There are also external antenna ports, in case you need better signal in weaker areas. Let's start with a quick speed test. Right now, there is nothing running in the background, and as we can see, I am getting around 630 megabit download and close to 90 megabit upload. Of course, this also depends on my provider and data plan, but overall the connection feels fast and stable. Now, taking a look at the admin panel. The interface is pretty clean and easy to understand. You can manage your network settings, check connection status, and control different options from here. It's not complicated, so even you are not a very technical, you can still use it without any issues. Now let's push it a bit further. I am running a 4K video in the background while doing another speed test at the same time. And even under load, the results stay very consistent. So even though my plan has limits, the router itself keeps the connection stable. I also tried fast forwarding the video to increase the load, and it still handles everything smoothly. Keep in mind, the actual speed will always depend on your network provider and coverage in your area. In real use, it's just very straightforward. You turn it on, connect your device, and everything works as expected. So overall, if you want the fast internet without dealing with cables, this is sold option. That's it guys, thank you for watching me. If you have any question about Tanda, feel free to ask me from comments. Also, I will put more information below. See you in the next video, bye bye.